Good morning, students. This is your geography class. Today we will discuss the topic air pollution. Before that, see this diagram. Earth's components. Okay, here Earth's four main components, that is atmosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere, geosphere or lithosphere. Okay, in atmosphere, air and gases, hydrosphere, water, biosphere, living creatures, and geosphere or lithosphere is land or soil. Okay. Environment is everything that surrounds us: air, water, land, etc. When harmful substances contaminate the environment is called pollution. Harmful substance contaminate the environment. This is called pollution. Okay. Other types of pollution: air pollution, noise pollution, light pollution, heat pollution, radioactivity, active pollution. Okay, so first we will discuss here air pollution. Air pollution occurs when gases, dust particles, smoke are introduced in the atmosphere in a way that makes it harmful to human, animals and plants. This is because the air becomes dirty or unclean. Air pollution is caused by these four types of cause of air pollution. Urbanization. What is it? Urbanization is the increasing number of people that live in urban areas. It results in the physical growth of urban areas. Industrialization is a process whereby all production is shifted from using manual labor to using machinery and technological labor. Next, vehicular emissions are the harmful pollutant emitted or given out by vehicles. Asbestos is a heat resistant fibrous silicate mineral that can be woven into fabrics and is used in fire resistance and insulating materials. So these are the causes. Here, harmful gases causing air pollution. Okay, see the diagram, children. Harmful gases and tiny particles, when released into the air, pollute it. The smoke released from burning fuel from factories and cars are some of the major sources of air pollution. Okay, see here, nitrogen dioxide, NO2, reddish brown gas. This is reddish brown gas produced when nitric oxide combined with oxygen in the atmosphere present in car exhaust and power plants, affects lungs and causes wheezing, increases chance of respiratory infections. Sulfur dioxide produced when coal and fuel oil are burnt, present in power plant exhaust, narrows the airway, causing wheezing and shortness of breath, especially in those with asthma. Then particulate matter particles of different sizes and structures that are released into the atmosphere, present in many sources including fossil fuels, dust, smoke, fog, etc. Aggravates heart and lung diseases, increases risk of respiratory infection. Then ground level ozone, O3. At upper level, ozone shields the earth from the sun's harmful UV rays, ultraviolet rays. At ground level, ozone is harmful pollutant formed from car, power and chemical plant exhaust. Causes asthma, reduces lung function by inflaming and damaging lining of lungs. Then carbon monoxide, CO. It is colorless, odorless, produced when carbon does not burn in fossil fuels present in car exhaust, deprives body of O2, causing headache, fatigue and impaired vision. So these are the harmful gases causing air pollution. In short, we can say in SPONC. Sulfur dioxide, particulate matter, then ground level ozone, nitrogen dioxide and carbon monoxide. Okay, we can learn these harmful gases with this mnemonic. Okay. Effects of air pollution. Health effects like nausea, coughing, breathing problem, dust allergy, etc. Long-term health effects like bronchitis, asthma, weakness and skin irritation. These are the effects due to air pollution. So I hope you like the topic. Thank you, children.